sure it gets, the edge is like right here. There's one. Oh, nice.
All right, first one of the day. You're just saying it looks like it's not to flip, right? Got it on that fisher style bait. That's a nice little chunk right here.
I wonder what we need to do. Is that a spot, or is it our technique, or is it not bite? One of those three. I do not know, honestly. I think I mean, this is a pretty sweet looking spot. We're fishing the edge of the grass on a falling tide into the wind, into the outcoming tide. Like, it seems perfect, you know.
What else do you ask for?
Exactly. It's a hard.
First fish came off the dock, right?
Yeah, it did.
Well, let's see. Maybe we're on a dock pattern today. Oh yeah.
Little guy.
Little guy. Senko, huh?
Tiny guy, yeah. Caught him on a baby bass colored Senko right next to this dock.
Well, we had to move away from the grass, and maybe the dock is where the fish are going to be at, huh?
Maybe so, I hope so. Hopefully we can get on him. Bigger than this one. Oh boy, he's a giant.
Number 2 for today. Not bad, not bad. Oh, fudge.
Did you get bit?
Yeah. Damn.
It's right on that edge?
Yeah.
So. That one?
Nice.
Small.
Hey, fish number 3 for us. Right after I missed one.
That's probably the one you just missed, honestly.
Nah, no.
No? He had that deep in his...
Got deep?
Yeah. Had him for a second. I felt him pick it up. Which way is he running? Alright, so we're done here at Aquia. We could not get anything going, unfortunately. So 1rod and I are going to go to a local lake, probably 20 minutes from here. It's called Smith Lake. I'm going to play a little joke on him. He left his tackle bag where he usually keeps his camera in the boat. I told him it shouldn't go anywhere, but I'm just going to hide it in the back of my truck and see if he freaks out when we get there. Alright, let's go. He still hasn't noticed his camera missing from the boat yet. Back in business.
Hey, where's my camera that was here?
Huh?
Wasn't there a tripod that was here?
I didn't see it.
There's no way, it's strapped on. Or unless I put it in my car.
Did you leave? Nah, man.
Dude, I swear.
There's no way.
Let me check. I swear to God, dude.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm 100%.
There's nothing there.
Dude, no, I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
No way.
I swear to
I
God.
don't believe you.
Dude, come on. It's right here.
Come on, man.
Let me check my car then. Oh, you. Don't play,
You
won't
left
play.
it in
Nah,
there?
you-
Sorry, I had to do it.
No,
you
you
left
had
it on
to.
there, I was like, man, if a rock hits that, it's going to destroy it. I better move it. So today's fishing sucks, so I'm gonna have to turn this video into a vlog. Yo! Okay. Going to get chips and salsa. See what happens when I carry a GoPro around with me? Oops. get it fixed, get back to riding. I rode it home, so it'll be all right. It was pretty jacked though. Bad day of fishing, bad day of riding. Oh well, going to the Beach Boys concert, so.